everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is the first video that I'm putting out for this month. So it's been a long gap, and right now I know there are a couple of things pending for me to react to. I know Karika video is there. Anything else in trailers that I've missed out, please let me know. And the movies that released the first weekend of May, I was traveling at that point of time. So but even though I thought that okay, I'm traveling and I'll come back and watch the film, which I'm talking about Retro and Hit 3, none of them released in PVR, and I'm like, where I stay, it's only like surrounded by PVRs. So I was anywhere not gonna be able to catch it, even if I was here and not traveling. So Karika video is there, and if there are any trailer reactions that are pending, you guys please let me know. But for this particular reaction, I'm gonna be watching the intro video of Vala. Vala the intro, that's the name of the video, and it's a 4.5 minute introduction video basically. Now this film is directed by Arun Chandu, and he's the same guy who directed Gaganachari, so it's from the same makers. Now this film stars, like, it has a lot of stars like Basil Joseph, Vineet Srinivasan, but the main star here is Jagati Srikumar sir. He is one of the biggest stars from the Malayalam film fraternity, and people are kind of calling it as his comebacks of sorts, like the big comeback, and they are very, very excited. And I can see from the views, this video right now has crossed 5 million views, which is insane. So I'm very, very excited to see what this 4.5 minute video entails. Let's watch this right away. This kind of looks futuristic. Okay. New calendar year 10. What is going on? Okay. Sorry guys. Wow, they've given him really cool look, huh? Okay, I'm very excited already. I love sci-fi. New calendar year 25. Oh, we have this full context setting, huh? Okay. What was written? Sorry. Lunar Labs. Okay. Is the same girl? She grew up. She'll come back. This is already so interesting, guys. Oh. What? Whoa! So many. What? Oh yeah, it is a song. There is a song. Do you feel the pain? Do you see the rage? You're written in life is just a maze, caught up in the dirt.
ഒരു മാസ് കിട്ടുമ്പോ എന്റെ മുഖത്തേക്ക് ഫാൻ അടിക്കുന്നവനാണ് കലിസ്റ്റോ. ഈ ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ വരുന്ന ഫാദ് ലുക്കുള്ളവൻ വിശാൽ കുര്യൻ. എന്നെ കൊണ്ട് സ്വാഗിൽ നടന്നുകൊണ്ട് ട്യൂഡീസ് കെബി. അവന്റെ സൈഡിൽ നിന്നും ഷോ ഇറക്കുന്നവനാണ് എന്റെ സമ്പത്ത്. പുറകിൽ സംശയാസ്പദമായ സാഹചര്യത്തിൽ ചുറ്റിത്തിരിയുന്നവൻ റെനോ. പിന്നെ യവനെ ഞാൻ എവിടോ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. മരിച്ചു പോയിട്ടും ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ സ്വാമികളുടെ ലോകത്ത് ഈ സെറ്റപ്പ് മൊത്തം നടത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്ന ഓൾ ഇൻ ഓൾ പ്രൊഫസർ അബ്ബലി അങ്കിൾ ലൂൺ. ഈ ഞാൻ വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് സർ. Thanks, man.
Oh, welcome back, sir. That had many meanings.
അതല്ലെന്ന് 10 മണിയായി. Remind me to pack us some snacks the next time. This reality sucks.
Oh, the web. Voila. We have a cat! I love it! Oh my goodness! I'll stop this first. This industry forces me to ask this question again and again. Like, I'm forced to ask this retrospective question again and again, that what the F this industry can't do. The answer to is can do everything. There's nothing that this industry cannot do. I just loved this to the core. I loved this to the core for so many reasons. First, I'm extremely happy to see that we have another sci-fi. Gaganachari was one, and this we have another sci-fi. Second thing, I'm sure there are many of you who are extremely happy to see Jagati Srikumar having this kind of look and this aura. And when Basil Joseph says that, welcome back, sir, and all of that, that would have hit emotionally to you guys as well, a lot of you, because I when I read up about him, he went through a huge accident and the recovery was as painful. It wasn't easy, it wasn't an easy recovery. So his road to recovery was also very difficult. I'm sure a lot of you are so happy to see him back in this avatar. So there's an emotional connect as well. But if it's someone like me, who's not watched, who's not grown up watching Jagati Srikumar sir's film, just the concept, just the storytelling and the context setting and the world building and just getting introduced to this world is just so magical. It's beautiful and I'm in awe. That's the first reaction for me. I am looking at this piece of content in awe. And then the little bit of humor in the end. I feel that this is going to have a very wacky kind of tone, because I loved, when those two guys are shooting, it's like, you're 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, because that's the kind of lingo one uses when you have to tell the direction while, if you have to hit a target, right? And then he says, no, it's 10 a.m. I'm very hungry. So I love this, is a very simple humor, but the delivery of the dialogue and the situation and all of the context, it just makes it funny. I liked it. I enjoyed it. The world looks amazing. There's definitely a lab, and we have a zombie apocalypse. That is amazing. And you see that girl, because initially it is year 10 and then we see year 25. So 15 years have passed. I'm assuming she's the same girl, grown up. And then you see those marks, she got infected with something. I think because there is no presence of sun, there's something in the environment which probably turns people into zombie. And you see that that zombie virus or whatever is spreading inside her body as well. So maybe she comes back for a cure. No, that'll be a too simple plot. But this looks absolutely fantastic. The song that was included by Imbachi, oh, the voice. I mean, he also sang one of my favorite songs from last year, Killer on the Loose from Rifle Club, and I've listened to that song so many times. So that was a great addition. The colors look phenomenal. The color composition, like that greenish hue throughout that whole intro was amazing. And the name of the film is Web. A web of what? I mean, it could be so many things, but this is how you curate an intro. What an intro! I am so freaking happy to say this. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, guys. Like other industries literally need to take notes. They need to take freaking notes. And I mean, I don't know what the budget is, guys. Somebody's gonna tell me, I know, in the comments, and it's going to be like this really minuscule budget, and then these guys pull it off like this. Like that is the output. Crazy. I'm short of words because I'm in awe right now. This is so good. This is so good. I'm going to be waiting for the release of that song, because that song, a part of which that we heard right now, sounds amazing. Sounds really, really cool. And we have a cat character. This couldn't get better. Like, you know, I feel that with every passing seconds, this just kept getting better and better and better and better. And you end it with the cat. Like, that is the high. Like, that's the highest of the highest point that you can end it. Loved it. Loved it. I really want to know your thoughts for this. If we have some more context, or this just dropped out of nowhere. Because for me, obviously, this dropped out of nowhere. But did you have any idea that this is going to be happening, like this kind of project was in the works? Please let me know in the comments. And in Arun Chandu, we trust. He has proved himself. He has proved his caliber as a director in Gaganachari. He has proved how out of the box he is as a director in terms of his vision, and I expect nothing less from this one as well. So yeah, we'll be waiting for more content of regarding Wala, and that was my reaction to the intro. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and with that I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.